Hello and welcome back. What a fantastic opportunity to play some new games. Some of them are not new, but they are new to me, so let's see how they handle with the system requirements. Today I chose the 480 because here in UK it's more like a winter. It's actually raining. Sniper Ghost Warrior 3. This game got the best menu music ever by far. I was very surprised how the 480 was doing on 1080p with maximum details. 21 frames? Come on, man, Jesus. Alright, I set up the game on low and yet it still didn't manage to do 60 frames. Same old cell mode, man. If I want to play this genre, I will play Call of Duty. I got a lot of Call of Duty, so I had enough with them. Okay, bye. Up next, I got a game that needs to be checked. First, compatibility. Very compatible compared to the sniper game that I played, where on low I had 40 frames and here I get the same frames on ultra. So respect to the developers because they know they need old hardware to be compatible and get some decent frames. So as for the game, it's new, it's got great sound and it feels very well done when it makes you want to go deeper and learn those ultra combo and beat up every statue and wall. I actually tried to play something similar with a medieval concept. How was it? For Honor. Yeah, that game felt very clumsy and overloaded, so my opinion. Let's move on. Up next, it's Agents of Mayhem. Let me put this in front like a sticker, you know, so you understand why I'm saying this. It cost almost £20. Let's give it a go and see how it handles with this GTX 480. On low details, the game managed to do so pretty well. Do you remember the Fortnite video, what I said about the FPS? Well, with my GTX 480, I was expecting more FPS seriously in this game, so some free-to-play games will manage to outtake some titles like this one that you need to pay. Do you have alternatives? Yes. It's up to you to decide, because some titles, some games are actually... Thank you for watching. Drop a like and I will see you in the next one. Listen, I got a question. Do you got a question for everybody here who's watching the video? You know, there are a couple of hundreds of people who are clicking on the video. Do you want to ask them something? Leave the question in the comment section and I will put it at the end. Bye.